Have you ever seen someone make a bowl from squishy clay? What do you think happens when you spin clay around and around? Let's meet Sam the potter. Sam wears a blue apron and smiles as she sits at her spinning wheel. She has a big lump of brown clay. Sam pushes the clay down. It feels soft and cool. She spins the wheel with her foot. The clay starts to go round and round. Slowly, Sam uses her hands to shape the clay. Look, the clay is getting taller. Sam makes a little bowl. Next, Sam makes a pot with a wide top. She smooths the sides with her fingers. Sam's friend Maya, who has curly hair, helps by handing her a wet sponge. Sam uses the sponge to make the pot shiny. Now, Sam's friend Leo, who has short hair, picks a small stick. He draws a smiley face on the pot. What do you think the pot will look like when it's dry? Did you guess it would be a fun pot with a happy face? You're right! The pot is ready to dry and be painted. Sam, Maya, and Leo clap and laugh together. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.